Good morning. How's my big boy? What were you doing in here? Mommy heard you in here making all kinds of noises. Yeah, Mommy wanted to catch you playing. Yeah, I heard you. Yeah, what is it you do in here? You look at your Pooh and your Eeyore and you laugh. You laugh. Yeah, you get excited, you smile, and you make noises. Looking at your Pooh and your Eeyore. Yeah, you look at Pooh and Eeyore. Where's Pooh? Where's Pooh? Where is he? Where's Pooh? You see him? Where's Pooh? Where's Pooh? Yeah, where is Pooh? Have you seen him? Yeah, what's he doing? What's he doing? God bless you. Where's Pooh? God bless you. Yeah, that's right. There he is. There's Pooh. Where's Pooh? Where's Eeyore? Yeah, have you seen them? Where'd they go to this morning? Are they your friends? Yeah, they are. They play with Jakey. Yeah, they play with the big boy. Yeah, they're good friends, huh? That's right. Oh, love the baby. Love the baby. Yeah? Love the baby. Yeah, I know. Oh, big fella. You think it's time for a bum change and some breakfast? Yeah, what do you think? Say bye to Pooh. Say bye to Eeyore. Yeah, tell him goodbye. We're gonna go get our stuff done. Can you tell him goodbye? Can you? You tell him goodbye? Mr. Big 10-week-old? You tell him goodbye? Okay, we'll count that. Alright, let's get it done.